When he was 16 years old, Master Regulus joined the Dark Lord. So proud, so happy to serve.
A winding valley where every bend may reveal a new landscape.
I know I will be dead long before you read this. I have stolen the real Horcrux and intend to destroy it.
It's called Let This Darkness Be a Bell Tower.
Let this darkness be a bell tower, and you the bell.
It's always welcome, Potters.
My whole life I've always had this feeling that at any moment, something horrible was about to happen.
And you fell for it because you're a fucking idiot.
Why should you question my intent?
Because you just ruined someone's life.
Need to get help.
I ask nothing of you.
Lexi realized there was a reason she never tried to intervene before. She was an observer.